If you are looking for the best portable washing machine, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Giantex FullAutomatic Portable Washing Machine. This compact washing machine packs a lot of punch despite its slim design. The honeycomb-shaped inner tub can hold up to 10 pounds of laundry per load. It also features a touchpad control panel with 10 washing programs and 8 water levels to choose from. It comes with a drain pump you can direct into a sink or tub. This machine even features something called a balance adjustment, which will automatically shift clothing so weight is equally distributed throughout the washer for efficient cleaning, every time. Number 2. Panda Compact Washer Portable Washing Machine. This sleek portable washer has all the bells and whistles without taking up much space. The inner tub is big enough to hold up to 11 pounds of laundry, and the clear viewing lid makes it easy to check in on your clothes as they're going through the wash cycle. There's also a LED touchpad that offers 6 washing programs, including special options for both bulky and delicate clothing. Plus, this machine comes with an easy-to-install kit with sink adapter so you'll have it up and running in no time. Number 3. Lavario Portable Clothes Wash. The Lavario Portable Clothes Washer is the perfect gadget to take with you on camping trips. This compact, manual washer is simple and straightforward, allowing you to wash a few items of clothes in mere minutes. To use this gadget, simply load up the basket with the clothes you want to wash. Pour water and detergent into the bucket, then submerge the basket and pump it up and down. Within a few minutes, your clothing will be clean, and you can refill the bucket with clean water to rinse. Wring excess water out of your garments, then hang them up to dry. It's that easy. Number 4. COSTWAY Mini Portable Washing Machine. This mini washing machine measures just 14 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 20 inches tall. Its compact design makes it an ideal product to bring on long road trips or camping, but it could also work in an apartment or RV. The single tub washes and spins small loads of laundry, and you can choose how long to wash items for via the timer. Once you're finished washing, simply drain the dirty water out the bottom via the included drain hose. According to reviewers, this compact machine packs a big punch, getting clothes clean in a short amount of time. Number 5. The Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine. If you're living off the grid, you'll probably need a portable washing machine that doesn't rely on electricity. In this case, you should definitely consider the highly rated laundry alternative WonderWash portable washing machine. This manual washing machine weighs just 6 pounds, and it can clean laundry in a matter of minutes. You power the machine via a hand crank, and the tub can fit up to 10 t-shirts at a time. It's gentle on clothes, and reviewers say it does an amazing job getting items clean.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.